good morning. This is Imtiaz Rastgar from the CBI stand at MIDEST', Paris, 19th November 2013. And here we are at the CBI stand, and we have with us today Mr. Mujtaba Quddus, who is the project manager of PAAPAM, which is one of the six partners with CBI in the business port development of plan. So, Mr. Mujtaba Quddus, thank you very much for being with us.
Welcome, sir.
So, can you introduce what is the program within PAAPAM?
First of all, I focus on the auto engineering sector of Pakistan, and I'm always marketed, provide training and development, and always, want people to enter into the export market. And this was the first step, the CBI course, and it taught me a lot of what companies have to do in order to enter into the European market. I'm making a project right now for the CBI, and it's basically focused on one area, but it will work as a blueprint for any other areas that I would like to focus on.
So what was your pickup from the X-Pro?
Well, the X-Pro started off like 2 months before the training even started. We had online sessions that helped us a lot in making a direction on what we wanted and how to get it.
With Mr. Martin Bitter?
Absolutely. I had sessions with Martin Bitter as well as Zahidar Sahab as well.
Zahidar.
And Mr. Zahidar is also coordinating with the CBI executive. Basically, we started off a month before. Had online sessions. They gave us a roadmap. We started working on it so that before we got to the X-Pro.
So the pre-X-Pro program was quite strong. It prepared you very well.
That really prepared me, motivated me, and we had a direction of what we were going to learn at the CBI main course. If we talk about the actual event, we learned a lot. We learned out how to enter into the European market, what kind of technologies we need to enter into the European market, what kind of regulations there are to enter into the European market. So it is so diversified. Things that we didn't even know, things that a normal manufacturer in my country does not know, and I have learned all of that, and hopefully I will be transferring all of that to them in the future.
Excellent. And then what is your impression about the trip which you made to the Agri-Technical? You had all the other BSO partners and the ECP partners with you from Pakistan?
Absolutely. Our advisors already told us, they did not spoon feed us. That is the first good thing I like about this. They told us a direction, and we already knew what we had to get out of that show before we even entered it. I know we didn't have a lot of time, but I could not have gotten as much of information if I was not pre-prepared by the advisors of CBI.
Excellent. And so what are your plans when you go back now? What are your immediate plans? How do you plan to proceed from here?
My immediate plan is, first of all, I'm focusing on one sector, but with that I'm going to side by side parallel start, reports and research on other sectors as well. And my basic objective is to make all of our manufacturers, or the majority of them, upgrade them and enter them into the.
So you have some other staff whom you will be able to train?
Absolutely. We have about 2 members working under me, and they will be trained by me on how to research and which areas to focus on while they are doing research.
Excellent. Thank you, Mujtaba.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So once again, this is CBI broadcasting from the MIDEST' Paris on Tuesday, 19th November 2013. Thank you.